Mr. B Master.
Hey guys, it's Merc Visuals, and today I'm bringing you a 2018 Dodge Challenger 392 Scat Pack, and we're gonna see if this is the coupe for you. So stay tuned. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think and what you want to see. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments what you think about this ride. Is this for you, and what can be improved? Now on the display screen, you can adjust all the different settings to match your comfortability level. You can also click into the shortcuts to either adjust your settings, phone, controls, apps, the climate, the media, or the radio. And there you guys have it, the 2018 Dodge Challenger 392 Scat Pack. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Don't forget to like